where she plays junior varsity volleyball, participates in the early academic outreach program through UC Berkeley, and is a member of her school's Asian Pacific Islander Club, Shimada Club, and Interact Club. She also has interest in becoming a professional photographer. As a dancer for Tiare o Teatro, Monique has developed a passion for Tahitian dance and its culture, with classes, workshops, performances, and competitions. As vibrant colors are often used in Tahitian dance, her outfit, the colors were chosen for this costume were made to represent the sunsets of Tahiti. While the mote skirt is commonly used in Tahitian dance, the layering of the three different colors is quite different. The color brown is used in the costume to represent the earth, where the brighter colors of yellow and orange are used to represent life and the sun. Even as the sun goes down on the